Hey, welcome back to Cracking Open Cold Ones in the Kraken. This is the segment where we install and review music gear and slam cold beer. Today's beer of choice is no other than Busch Light. Busch Light, it's beer. Today I'm swapping out the speakers in one of my cabinets with Peavey Sheffield 1200s.
Yeah, dude, I want to see the 5150.
These were used in the Peavey 5150s. Eddie had them modeled after the Celestian greenbacks he used in his old Marshall cabs. The cabinet I am swapping the speakers out of is this random cabinet I found 10 years ago at a Guitar Center clearance section for like $90 called X Audio, whatever that is, never heard of it. Now these speakers read 16 ohms. I got an ohm reader. Gonna match the red to red and black to black. It's not working. Why can't we just have something go right? So this bad boy doesn't have a way to get to the back. So we gotta do it to the front. That's gonna be more work than I wanted. I'm a real American.
I didn't really think it worked that good.
This one's going to be the top right speaker. We use the positive to positive and negative to negative. Where's my soldering paste? Just had it.
Beautiful.
And we're going to snip the black off and connect it to both the positive and the negative, leaving the red and the black going all the way to the input jack. On the top right speaker, same thing, positive, positive, negative, negative. Is it sticking?
Yeah, put a little more on it.
Would you just call me? I'm not a moron.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't do that, don't work. Wait, them down in solder and iron.
right? Going on each side, positive and negative on the red, and then the black is going to lead all the way to the jack.
The red coming off of the top speaker is going to go to the negative of the bottom speaker.
And then this is the input jack. I gotta swap out the old wire so that we can wire in the new ones. Then from here on out, black to black, red to red, all on here.
Oh shit.
Moment of truth. Put it all back together. Alright, so the cab is put back together. This is actually a couple months after all that was shot, 'cause I ended up like getting a new house and stuff. But I love the cab. I use it to jam and record with than any other cab that I own. I went with the Sheffield 1200s because I was wanting that like Celestian greenback sound, but I didn't want to pay that Celestian greenback price. So the Celestian greenback started like 100 to 175. I think I didn't pay more than $50 for a single one of these speakers. I actually ended up liking them more than Celestian greenbacks. All the reviews that I read were saying, oh, these have more of a darker tone or more of a high gain tone. I actually dig it like a lot more. Is that my cat? So I'm gonna mic it off. I'm gonna have the Shure SM58 pointed towards the middle of the speaker, and then I'm gonna use my SM57 kind of on the edge of one of the speakers to get more of a live sound. I actually really like the clean tone on these. They have a like a bright, crisp, almost a pop sound that you really wouldn't expect whenever you're getting these, because you think of like that late 90s, early 2000s like metal tone is mainly what people are looking for whenever they get these.
And then on the high gain, I really like, it's almost more of a bassy sound, kind of has more of a punch to it, but also it doesn't lack in the treble and gain area. It's almost like a perfectly EQ'd, balanced, just high gain speaker. It's amazing. It's what I record with and use now every day. Alright, once again, thanks for watching. Bye.